Hi everybody, thank you for coming. Today we're going to be having lunch while enjoying my view. We're going to be having a bag salad kit. I love these kits. It comes with everything you need in it. It has Caesar dressing in this one. That's the Caesar dressing. And I'm not sure how much they put in it, but it's always enough. They also give you some croutons. These are seasoned croutons. You also get Parmesan cheese, which is really good. Now, the salad that I have is by Ready Express. And they put it in this big bag. I don't know why. I guess so you can shake it up. I guess. So now I'm just going to put everything in the bag. We're going to add the items. I hope y'all are having a good day today. I hope y'all are eating something good for your lunch today. Now we're going to go ahead and mix. This is what I do love about that big bag. I can just mix it up. I don't have to shake it everywhere. Use a big spoon. I don't do that. Now I am adding lemon pepper on top of my salad today. I like spices and seasonings on my salad. I don't like them bland. Although this would be perfect without anything. Now it's time to eat. Wait. No, we got one more thing. We got to cut our bowl. We got to cut that bowl down because right now it's too big. Look at that. Everything is added in. And y'all, I like coming to this spot that I'm at today. I'm at a dentist's office and they have like a bunch of greenery around. And I like looking at stuff like that. I have come to like the nature, the woods, the flowers. Now, they do need to cut their grass. I will say that. However, it's still a really good view. And my drink of choice for lunch is going to be some H2O. Yes, I love water. So I like sitting here and I can pull my mind together and just relax and listen to the birds chirping, which I love birds. It's no flies or nothing out today. We have been getting a lot of rain here, so the bugs are kind of gone wherever they go when it rains. So wait, I'm gonna show y'all something. Let me show y'all my view. And this place has a little picnic table right there. Now, I don't sit on their picnic table because I'm a chunky chick. And I don't want to break their picnic table. But I think that's pretty cool for their employees to have. Now, I have sat here and, help putting my socks on and stuff, But I do use their picnic table. I just don't eat my lunch there. This salad is so good. You all, please don't judge me. I'm hungry this morning. And the first thing I thought was I'm going to the grocery store and get me a salad. And it's just enough. It's perfect for me. So I'm not going to hold you all up long. I send kisses. I thank y'all for joining me. And do me a favor, please subscribe.